So, Dosto, it's time to leave Kanyakumari. Okay, everything is done. So we were staying here in this hotel that's called Jeba Sakti, something like that. And we are leaving now to our next destination. It's really nice. 2 days, bike is ready. It's really hot here in south, that's why we are not wearing our jackets anymore, but keeping something lighter, a lot of sunscreen and just cover ourselves. And here we are ready. Bike is full packed. And our next destination is
Rameshwaram. We are heading to Rameshwaram.
So that's the plan.
Yeah, and it's 300 kilometers from here, so gonna be like 5.5 hours ride. But with breaks, it may take 6.5 hours because we need breakfast, lunch, and hopefully there.
Overall, our Kanyakumari stay was really nice. We enjoyed this time and we found something for ourselves. Like Kanyakumari was so beautiful, and there are so many places to visit. I was really impressed with the government museum.
Yeah, and I love it, that temple. Oh, temple.
Yeah. So now more temples in Rameshwaram. Let's go, right? Stop for breakfast. As you see, I'm talking with a sleepy still. I need to get my chai, then we can talk nicely. Yes, honey?
I can't be sleepy because I must drive. Yeah, but one thing is it's really windy. Even if it's highway is really nice, we can't go more than 60.
Today is so much windy. And yes. We ordered one veg puff, and I'm going to have dal vadas. So I really enjoy vadas in South. So like
I want to try puff.
Every day some vada.
I want to try puff because I have seen they have too many and different kind of. So in Gujarat we have different than this. They have different shapes, and let's see how it's gonna be the taste. Yeah. And chai, I think we're gonna do this, but maybe.
Probably.
Or hopefully not. So guys, I have my puff. I won't try it. It's really delicious.
So I will try soon.
I think I'm gonna order one more. There we have 3 vada with nicely
Dal vada.
plated
And cute small
chutneys.
chutney.
Yeah, that's why nicely you get chutneys like this. One is coconut, one is chili, I guess. And let's wait for our chai. Because here they have tradition. When you finish the food, then they give tea.
Yes. Here they don't give you food.
So hopefully they're gonna give us tea.
And that's quite annoying.
Okay, I think we are getting our chai. Okay, let us finish the food and see you in the road. You can check by yourself. I don't need to go.
Something totally new. I think those are the jaggery sweets.
Okay, proceed. Ask him.
Uncle, this is jaggery?
Jaggery.
Jaggery. Oh, thank you. So we have one to try.
What you have got?
very sweet, little like cola flavor. Funny. Oh my god. Then like little spicy and then woo. That's amazing. You want some? No? Okay, don't stop, but whoa, something totally new. So this was this. So new flavor, totally new.
It's a nariyal? This orange? How much? 50. 50
50.
for one. Yeah, we can have it.
Yes?
Yeah, let's
But you also?
Yeah, one, only one. We can try. We can taste it.
Gujarata.
Yeah, Gujarati.
We've decided to stop here for a small coconut break.
Yeah, that
and
wasn't a plan.
yeah, but we are trying for the first time this which we are super curious about. They don't have only green coconut, but now also orange coconuts, only since we entered south. Before we've never seen them. Really pretty much the same.
Yeah,
Pretty much the
but
same.
little bit not sweeter side, but second side, I would say.
Yeah, little less sweet.
It's less sweet and different. I don't know what is, because coconut is this, another nariyal are really good.
But it's like going and going from such a small coconut. It's like a lot
So
of
maybe
water.
this is with malai.
Maybe.
You can drink all. I'll be order one more.
Yes.
One more, Anna.
That's it.
Yeah?
I don't know if there is something inside or not.
We ask. No malai? In malai? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, they have malai.
Oh, so we will still have
So
malai.
let's see how is
Maybe
malai.
malai is better from the orange one, so we will
Maybe,
see.
because it's smaller, so it should
Yeah.
be something. Okay, Mai is coming, so that's it. See you this too.
Same?
Same.
Same.
You can give for malai.
I'll give. You see, Dosto, that's how you prepare for malai. First, you always get a small spoon from the outer shell, and then you can eat. You see, Uncle is even scraping out for me. And this white part is always very delicious. Thank you. This is my very small amount. We will see if it's tasty or not.
This must be taste different.
I hope so.
Try and tell me. Yeah, Kanyakumari, Rameswaram.
Malai is different.
There is what to give?
Yes, give honey. This malai tastes less like coconut water, when in green coconuts you usually feel this
thick.
pure coconut flavor, like coconut water flavor. Here tastes more like the dry coconut.
Okay.
So it's less like watery flavor, it's more dense. Oh, I would describe.
I was saying, like, according to after see it, for me it looks like more watery one. Because you see how it is. Because that one are thick, and these are like.
Yes, but the
water.
flavor here is less watery than in the green ones. So something new.
After looking like more than 1 hour, finally we are getting the food, and proper Tamil traditions way in the banana leaf. We have 2 sabjis, sambar, rice, and rasam, I guess.
So finding food wasn't as much challenge as actually finding vegetarian food. But we drove some extra time to get to
Thank
Pure Veg restaurant, and we are here now. Yeah, as Hardik mentioned, trying food in proper South Indian way.
First you must wash it. It was nice experience. So let's dig in. We get papad also and pickles.
Yes, we got some new type of pickle.
Yeah, and the best
Rice.
way, we should to throw the water and then just wipe it out to have clean banana leaf to eat it.
Amazing.
So let's dig in then, yeah. I turn off my mic, yeah? So they have only rice kind of. Papad is good. It's really soft and nice. Or maybe I'm hungry.
We just finished our meal. It was 100 rupees per plate, so really good price.
And it's unlimited.
Later we also received extra papad and buttermilk. That was really nice fixed meal. Now we'll be heading further and we hope to reach our destination,
I will take 1 hour nap
So,
here. It's really cool, like nice temperature, and I'm tired after all day. But we must move.
it's
yeah?
still so hot, so as you see we still don't have jackets. Yeah.
We must move.
So let's move.
Let's go. We have, I think, 2 hours something left.
Let's go.
Yeah, 2 hours road, so hopefully faster. Let's go. Okay, thank you. This you go without watching video. It's okay, thank you, Anna. Yeah, you go behind. Okay, thank you.
So we have just arrived in Rameshwaram.
It's 8 o'clock in evening.
We are super late, like 5 hours?
Yes, our estimate arrive was 3 o'clock. We were thinking still in 2 hours, like break and everything, 5 will be okay. 6 at least, but 2 hours extra because of Tamil Nadu Chief Minister. Thank you so much.
So we had an amazing riding day and our first mini accident of the whole tour.
Yes.
And well, but now everything is well.
Apparently some blind person don't want to watch behind.
Rather someone don't know how to use the backup lights.
Yes, and they don't have reverse light, first thing. Second, he don't see that there is some bike. He just go behind and that's it. So my first reaction is better to honk or something. Just I take over. And I don't know, somehow I just lose the balance and we were on the... But it was really slowly and we didn't
fall, that's the most important.
Yes.
And well, Rameshwaram welcomed us now very nicely. We had nice views for Indian Ocean and for the railway bridge and everything.
Yeah.
So
but tomorrow we must go for that because in daytime will be perfect.
Well, let's go pick up our luggage, settle down, and that's it for today. Thank you Dosto so much for watching this video. Subscribe to not miss out on our next vlog, and we hope to see you
in the next vlog.
Bye.
Bye.